In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Looker report in just 5 minutes. Let's start at the beginning, shall we? You'll want to navigate to Looker Studio's homepage. Simply type in lookerstudio.google.com into your browser's address bar and press enter. This is where your journey to creating a mesmerizing Looker report begins. Once you find yourself on the Looker Studio page, the first thing you'll see is the home page. Here you'll want to click on the Home button. This action essentially ensures you're starting from the main dashboard, a neat and handy tip to keep things organized right from the get-go. Now the system will prompt you to enter your email address. It's like giving a secret handshake to let the Looker Studio know it's you. Once you've typed in your email, you'll be prompted to the next step, which is entering your password. This step is as crucial as it sounds because it's all about security and privacy, ensuring that your data and reports stay yours truly. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button to access the full suite of Looker Studio features. Once you're logged in, delve a bit deeper by going directly to the Looker Studio section. You can access this by clicking on the dedicated link to navigate to the reporting section of Looker Studio. It's here where the magic begins, where data transforms into insights. Excited yet? Let's keep the momentum going. The next step is to click on Create. This is where your report starts taking shape. You're essentially telling Looker Studio, hey, I'm ready to build something awesome. After clicking on Create, select Report from the options provided. This choice is significant because it signals to Looker Studio that you're about to craft a new report from scratch, turning a blank canvas into a masterpiece of data visualization. Now this next part is pretty cool. You'll want to click on Google Sheets because for this example we're going to use Google Sheets as our data source. Google Sheets is an excellent tool for managing and analyzing data in a spreadsheet format, and its integration with Looker Studio allows for seamless data visualization. After selecting Google Sheets, your next move is to click on Sample Marketing Campaign Data. This is a pre-filled data set offered by Google to help you get familiar with how Looker Studio works. It's perfect for beginners and a great way to see the potential of your data without the need for pre-existing data. Once you've selected the sample marketing campaign data, you're going to add it by clicking on Add. This action will incorporate the dataset into your report, setting the stage for the next steps where your data begins to come alive visually. The final step in this process is clicking ADD to report. This powerful action finalizes the addition of your selected data to your report. You're not just adding data, you're weaving together the threads of your story, the narrative of your analysis. Remember, Looker Studio is an incredibly potent tool for transforming raw data into compelling visual stories. Throughout this process, the key is exploration and improvisation. Feel free to experiment with different types of charts, graphs, and layouts to tell your story most effectively. Each click, each selection brings you closer to uncovering insights that could make a significant impact on your decisions or strategies. And there you have it. You've officially created a report in Looker Studio. This guide walked you through from logging in to adding your very first dataset to a report, and I hope it's been a helpful journey. The beauty of Looker Studio lies in its flexibility and power, offering endless possibilities for data visualization and analysis. So go ahead, dive deeper, explore further, and unlock the full potential of your data with Looker Studio. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video empowers you to create insightful and visually impactful reports that drive decision making and strategy in your endeavors. Happy analyzing!